Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Tron Century mining event that Tron Network just released. Okay, so here we are on sun.io. You can see that it looks a little different now. They just released sort of a new event. So they have new mining pools with pretty good APYs, and these all require a liquidity pair. And if you want to get that liquidity pair, you can just click right here. So the APYs are pretty good. I'm thinking about doing that. Right now, I'm just in these ones down here, the supply mining. So for these ones, you don't need a liquidity pair. You just supply the token and you get the rewards. So here's those pools. The percentages are looking pretty good. Remember, these percentages are for a full year, but I don't even think this event lasts a full year. If we go to the rules, it says it lasts from March 8th to June 7th. And the first round is March 8th to April 5th. So I'm guessing the rates might drop after the first round. But anyways, how this works is you would just get this liquidity pair, and then you click select, you approve it, you enter your amount, and then you're in the pool and you're going to be paid out in these rewards. Like I said, I'm only in these ones right now. I'm in this TRX one. So we can go to details. I just went in this, so there's not going to be much here yet. So I'm just earning, looks like I've earned some sun. You can see the amount that I've earned right there, and I can withdraw this all at any time if I decide that's what I want to do. So it's not locked in here or anything like that. If I want to supply more, just go to this, type it in there. This also integrates with Just Lend, so that's kind of nice. So if you just want to manage your supply on Just Lend, you can do that as well. So these are kind of the same tool, just on different interfaces. All of this right here under Just Lend supply mining, and everything on justlend.org. But yeah, if you come here, you can see your total supply and your live action in rewards right there. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just in the supply. I'm not doing anything with the liquidity pairs. But I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking they're pretty juicy, so I'm definitely considering it. You know, I think these will drop a little bit. And remember, it's only 3 months instead of a year, so you got to figure this is more like less than 100% APY. Got to cut that in a fourth. So I'm going to feel that out a little bit, decide what to do here. But overall, I think it's a good event, good thing for Tron. It's working very nicely. You know, Tron is nice and smooth, fast, cheap. You freeze energy, you don't have to pay for any transactions, so it's super nice. Also on Bankroll Flow, this is actually going surprisingly well. The price was stable around 4, and it had a little pump. Now it seems to be pretty stable around 5. I'm just rolling. Let's go ahead and roll this. So what that's going to do is take my 12.7 BankerX dividends, $3.30, and roll that into my deposits. And this pays 1% daily. So you can decide to roll that, or you can claim it. I think you can only claim 125%. So if you've deposited 1819, you can probably only claim about 2,000. Yeah, for me, the goal is just keep rolling 1% a day. It's gonna keep compounding, building up this deposit until this says kind of what I want it to say. You know, if I want $50,000 in here, just keep on rolling, baby. And then once it says that, you'll basically be able to claim for 100 days and you would earn $50,000. That's how I look at it. It's all subject to the price of the BankerX token and whether that can hold stable or not, because you have to get the BankerX token and then you have to sell the BankerX token in order to ROI. Also notice the reactor has been going down a little bit. So this was at like 24.3 or something, I think. So it's down a little bit there. Not too big of a deal yet, but definitely something to watch. You know, if this reactor keeps dropping, could lead to the price dropping in the long term. So yeah, there you have it. That's kind of what I'm doing in TRX right now. Still doing like T2X, CSE, but those are just super slow. Not even really worth looking at this point. I think this is the best stuff that's on here. You know, Flow is kind of a pyramid or Ponzi just because they have all of these referral levels. But when you look at it, it's very similar to a farm, or like some of these farms on BSC or ETH. Just depends how you look at it. You know, there's a lot of elements to it. But yeah, there's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.